Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So Binance, for all you know who've been tracking the crypto market, they know that Binance is in real trouble, and the claimants on Binance, the number of claimants has been mounting every day, every week. So, in fact, there is a website called Binance Claim. Now, they are those people who are where you can actually go and put in your complaint. Uh, so we're going to talk about all of that. So we're going to talk about Binance and the law, what's the law, what is actually, why are these claimants pursuing a case against Binance? We're going to talk about all of that today. But before we do that, as usual, my request to you is to like the video, to subscribe to my channel, to smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Comment on my video so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and then I can craft out a video based on your requirement. And also share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and from my videos. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first, let's talk about my ebook. This particular ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. In this ebook, I've spoken of the time back in 2010 when I quit my six-figure globetrotting corporate job. So the ebook starts with my preparation while I was working, my preparation on how I can be successful as an entrepreneur. It also talks about the challenges I faced as an entrepreneur, and towards the end, it talks about how I overcame those challenges. Now, I would imagine a lot of you would be looking to becoming an entrepreneur. So for all you guys, I put down 3 worksheets in this ebook. Now, these worksheets are meant to gauge your preparedness before you jump into the world of entrepreneurship. I can tell you the world of entrepreneurship is not easy. So you have to answer certain questions, get points based on your answers, and towards the end, you would know where you stand. I have also taken this particular quiz, I would say, where I've answered those questions based on my mindset back in 2010, and you would get to know how much I scored, and you would also get to know how successful I am today as an entrepreneur, with 2 companies, one in Singapore and the other one in India, and representations in the US and North American markets. Now, this ebook comes to you for totally free of charge. It's available on my website. The URL is currently flashing the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below as well. Click on it, go to the page, put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Do give me your honest feedback. Let's talk about the claimants on Binance. So thousands of disgruntled Binance customers have registered claims against the trading platform following the outages. Recently there have been outages faced in May 2021. To date, more than 2,300 claimants have registered on BinanceClaim.com, and this is increasing daily, according to the Litchi Capital's executive chairman and CIO, David Kay. Kay, who sits on the Binance Claim Steering Committee, said that last week we had more than 1,000 claims registered, potentially making this the largest international consumer arbitration in history and a landmark case in the crypto industry. So now let's also look at, what is really the law case against, the legal case against Binance. So Binance is really the first company to succeed on such a large scale without being registered or belonging to a state. It will be the first international arbitration to grapple with the issue of a stateless company, and will be the largest consumer group arbitration in history. Multinationals were the first entities to live in multiple states. but they still had headquarters. They had homes, and importantly, they had places where they could be sued. Binance has succeeded in becoming a behemoth while being nowhere. They have no headquarters, so they are regulated by just nobody. No country, no state, no jurisdiction. So that's the case against Binance. Now, and what's really the trouble that's brewing Binance? So Binance claim platform compensate the increasingly number of claimants who found themselves locked out and unable to trade on the exchange during the infamous crypto plunge of May 19 this year. So when the Bitcoin, went down, they could not trade and they could not, potentially some could not sell off and lost money. The plunge followed a string of negative headlines and regulatory crackdown on related activity in China, resulting in Bitcoin's dollar price dropping by over 30%, while Ethereum fell over 45%. This was not only one of the largest one-day price declines in cryptocurrency history, but also one of the largest ever liquidations of traders' positions. The platform crashed at 13:30 UTC, which is I think the Greenwich Mean Time, GMT, and reopening just after 3 p.m. GMT, by which time crypto prices had recovered to pre-crash levels and short positions were no longer in the money. And that's the problem. So if Binance refuses to settle the case, to settle the case will proceed before the Hong Kong's International Arbitration Center. So that's the trouble that Binance is facing at this moment. So in summary, I just hope that you don't trade through Binance. If you do, I hope you have. I just hope that you've not lost much money, or you have not lost any money at all. I would suggest that you take your account off Binance. That's not a platform for you to trade in anymore. So be very, very careful about Binance. I've spoken in some more detail about the challenges that Binance has been facing for some months now. So I did a video on that a few months ago. I'll put the link to that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. You would get to know what exact troubles Binance has had over the past few months, especially from May 2021 onwards. So that's it, guys. As you know, well, thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put down, if you want to know more about me, I would suggest you go to my LinkedIn profile page. I'll put the link to the LinkedIn profile page in the description box below, or the URL of LinkedIn profile page. Click on it, go to the page, take a look at my profile. If you like my profile, send me an invite. As a profession, I regularly work with clients where I try and solve their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If you're looking to engage with me as a consultant in your company, drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you could write to me in the contact page of my website. I'll put down the link to the contact page of my website in the description box below. Then we can communicate and see how we can work together. So before I wrap up, my final request to you, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and please share my videos. So until next time, stay safe, stay away from Binance, stay safe and stay healthy. Take care and bye-bye.